Here's something most people never hear from their doctor. Your feet are home to some of the smallest blood vessels in your entire body, many thinner than a human hair. And as we age, those tiny vessels are often the first to lose flexibility, the first to narrow, and the first to struggle delivering oxygen. That's why cold feet, tingling toes, slow-healing cuts, or tired, heavy legs are often early warning signs of declining circulation, long before major heart symptoms appear. But here's the surprising part. Your body rebuilds blood vessel function every single day. The lining of your arteries, called the endothelium, constantly repairs itself. It responds to movement, hormones, and especially what you eat, which means circulation isn't just something you lose with age. It's something you can influence, meal by meal. Today, we're looking at foods that help improve circulation specifically in the legs and feet, not through hype or miracle claims, but through known biological mechanisms. To understand how food can help, we need to look at what actually causes poor circulation in the lower body. There are three main drivers. First, reduced nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is a gas your body produces that signals blood vessels to relax and widen. When nitric oxide drops, vessels stay tighter and blood flow slows. Second, blood viscosity. If blood becomes thicker or stickier, it moves more slowly through small vessels, especially in the feet, where circulation already fights gravity. Third, inflammation and vessel stiffness. Over time, inflammation damages artery walls, reducing their ability to expand and contract. So improving circulation isn't about boosting blood or warming the body. It's about restoring three things: vessel flexibility, smooth blood flow, healthy endothelial signaling. Certain foods support exactly those processes. Let's look at them, ranked by overall evidence strength and biological impact. Number 1. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula. Evidence strength, strong. Leafy greens are one of the most consistently supported foods for vascular health. They contain dietary nitrates, natural compounds your body converts into nitric oxide. Think of nitrates as raw material for widening blood vessels. Once converted, nitric oxide tells arteries to relax, which improves blood delivery all the way down to the smallest capillaries in the toes. Clinical studies consistently show nitrate-rich vegetables can reduce blood pressure and improve endothelial function. How to use it? A large handful daily is enough. Best options include spinach, rocket, Swiss chard, and beet greens. Lightly cooking them improves absorption without destroying their benefits. Number 2. Beetroot. Evidence strength, strong. Beetroot is essentially a concentrated nitrate source. When consumed, it raises nitric oxide levels measurably within hours. This leads to improved blood vessel dilation and more efficient oxygen delivery. Athletes use beetroot for endurance performance because it improves circulation efficiency. For aging adults, that same mechanism supports peripheral blood flow, including in the legs and feet. How to use it? Fresh roasted beets, beet juice, or grated raw beet in salads. Even small servings, a few times per week, can support nitric oxide levels. Number 3. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. Evidence strength, strong. Fatty fish provide omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These fats help circulation in two ways. First, they reduce inflammation in blood vessel walls. Second, they make red blood cells more flexible, allowing them to pass more easily through narrow capillaries. Imagine replacing stiff marbles with soft rubber balls. Blood flows more smoothly. Research consistently links omega-3 intake with improved vascular function and reduced clotting risk. How to use it? 2 servings per week is a widely recommended target. Grilled, baked, or canned fish all provide benefits. Number 4. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, black currants. Evidence strength, moderate to strong. Berries are rich in flavonoids, plant compounds that protect blood vessels from oxidative stress. Flavonoids help maintain endothelial function and improve nitric oxide signaling. Some studies show regular berry consumption improves microvascular circulation, particularly in older adults. How to use it? A handful daily works well. Frozen berries retain most benefits and are often more affordable. Number 5. Dark chocolate. High cocoa content. Evidence strength, moderate. Cocoa contains flavonols that stimulate nitric oxide production. These compounds help arteries expand and improve blood flow, including peripheral circulation. However, the benefit depends heavily on cocoa percentage. Milk chocolate contains very little active flavonol content. How to use it? Choose chocolate with at least 70% cocoa. A small square daily provides enough flavonols without excessive sugar. Number 6. Garlic. Evidence strength, moderate. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that may help relax blood vessels and reduce platelet stickiness. This improves blood fluidity and may support circulation in small vessels. Garlic also shows modest blood pressure lowering effects in clinical research. How to use it? Fresh, crushed garlic releases the active compounds best. Let it sit for a minute before cooking to activate them. Number 7. Citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruit, lemons. Evidence strength, moderate. Citrus fruits provide vitamin C and flavonoids that support vascular integrity. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production in blood vessel walls, helping maintain their structure and elasticity. Flavonoids in citrus also help reduce inflammation and improve endothelial responsiveness. How to use it? 1 serving per day. Whole fruit is better than juice. Number 8. Walnuts and almonds. Evidence strength, moderate. Nuts supply healthy fats, magnesium, and arginine. Arginine is an amino acid used to produce nitric oxide. Magnesium helps blood vessels relax and improves circulation efficiency. Regular nut consumption is consistently linked with improved cardiovascular outcomes. How to use it? A small handful daily is enough. Raw or lightly roasted is best. Number 9. Turmeric. Evidence strength, emerging to moderate. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound studied for anti-inflammatory effects. Curcumin may help improve endothelial function and reduce vascular stiffness. Evidence is promising but still developing. How to use it? Use turmeric in cooking with black pepper, which improves absorption. Small daily amounts are sufficient. Number 10. Green tea. Evidence strength, emerging to moderate. Green tea contains catechins, antioxidants linked to improved vascular function. Some studies suggest these compounds help improve blood flow and reduce oxidative stress in blood vessels. While not a standalone solution, green tea can complement other circulation-supporting habits. How to use it? 1 to 2 cups daily is a practical range. Improving circulation doesn't come from one superfood. It comes from layering small signals that tell your blood vessels to stay flexible and responsive. Here's a simple routine built from the foods we've discussed. Morning. Start with green tea and a bowl of berries. This supports antioxidant defenses early in the day. Lunch. Include leafy greens with olive oil and a protein source. Add citrus or nuts for additional vascular support. Dinner. Aim for fatty fish twice weekly. Include vegetables like spinach or roasted beets on the side. Throughout the day, use garlic and turmeric in cooking when possible. A square of dark chocolate can fit naturally into the evening. These habits quietly reinforce endothelial health, the foundation of good circulation. And when blood vessels function well, your feet feel warmer, your legs feel lighter, and your body moves more efficiently. Circulation problems rarely appear overnight. They develop slowly, in tiny vessels you never see, but improvement also happens quietly. With each meal, you either signal your body to maintain blood flow or to let those vessels stiffen a little more. If this topic matters to you, it might be worth paying attention to what you eat tomorrow, not as a drastic change, just as a small experiment. Because sometimes the most powerful health shifts don't come from dramatic interventions. They come from steady signals your body receives every day. And circulation, more than almost anything else, responds to those signals.